Okay, so now let us discuss the factorial notation. So, ang definition ng factorial notation, it is denoted by n factorial. It is the product of all positive integers less than or equal to n. So, ito pong factorial, ito po yung symbol niya. Parang exclamation mark lang ito. Ito po yung symbol ng factorial notation. Okay po. So, ang sabi dito, it is denoted by n factorial. So, mababasa po natin to as n factorial. Okay po? So, at sa mathematics po, ang tawag po natin sa symbol na to is factorial. Sa English kasi exclamation. So, ito po ang basa natin dyan is n factorial. So, sabi sa definition ng factorial notation, it is denoted by n factorial and it is the product. Pag sinabing product, ang operation nito is multiplication. Product of all positive integers. Positive integers. So, meaning, wala pong negative na factorial. Only positive integers. Positive integers less than or equal to n. Less than. So, meaning, we are going to multiply the number less than hanggang mag-1. Okay po? So, for example, we have 5 factorial. So, meaning you are going to get the product less than pababa, or equal to n. So, ang ibig sabihin lang yan is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And, pag pinag-multiply mo yan lahat, the answer is 120. Okay po. So, let us have an example. So, meaning, for example, we have 5 factorial plus 2 factorial. So, let us expand this 2 factorial. So, 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 plus 2 times 1. So, ang ganyan lang naman yung 2 factorial. So, 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, the answer is 120 plus 2 times 1, the answer is 2. And simplify, 120 plus 2 is 122. Okay po, basic ang factorial notation. Number 2, 8 factorial minus 5 factorial. So, let us expand 8 factorial. So, we have 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So, parenthesis natin para hindi kayo malito. Minus yung operation eh. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, so let us simplify. 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Ang lalabas dyan is 40,320. Minus 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That is 120. So simplify. 40,320 minus 120. The answer is 40,200. So that is the simplified form. Next, number 3. Number 3 example, we have 4 factorial and 2 factorial. So, kapag wala kayong nakitang operation sa gitna, meaning we're going to multiply these 2 factorial. So, let us expand 4 factorial. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So, parenthesis. And 2 factorial is 2 times 1. So, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, the answer is 24. And 2 times 1, the answer is 2. So, multiply. 24 times 2, the answer is 48. Okay po. Okay, so like example pa, maraming example para mas magets. So, example number 4. So, we have 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial. So, let us expand 6 factorial. So, 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 3 times 2 times 1. Okay po, so we can cancel 1, 2, 3. Pwede sila makancel. And yung natira sa taas, 6 times 5 times 4, the answer is 120. 120 po yan 120. Okay, number 5. Number 5. Okay, so for example, 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 factorial. Okay po. Sorry. Meron pala tayong another way to divide this 2 factorial nang hindi na humahaba yung solution. So, pinakita ko lang to na pwede yung ganito pero may another way tayo. So, ang example natin is 6 factorial divide 3 factorial. So, pwede na kayong huminto sa 3 factorial. For example, 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial. Kasi pag in-expand mo itong 3 factorial, ito rin yun, diba? 3 times 2 times 1. So, you can cancel this. And the answer is 6 times 5 times 4. That is same 120. Okay po, so pinakita ko lang to muna. Pero pwede rin itong maghihinto na kayo sa 3 factorial kasi ang denominator is 3 factorial. So, gawin natin dito. So, first, let us expand. Subtract muna natin yung denominator. So, coffee 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3, that is 2 factorial. So, hihinto tayo sa 2 factorial kasi yun yung denominator. So, 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial. Hinto tayo. Bakit? Kasi 2 factorial yung denominator para makancel natin sila. So, cancel. So, 5 times 4, 20. Times 3, the answer is 60. Okay. So, basic ang factorial notation. So, again, factorial notation is denoted by n factorial. It is the product of all positive integers less than or equal to n. Thank you for watching.